Today on the Barfly, we're doing a smoky mezcal cocktail for National Mezcal Day, and we've partnered up with Crew Supply Company for a little giveaway. But you guys gotta stick around to the end to find out the details. But you're gonna want to, because this cocktail's amazing. My name's Leandro Di Manriva. This is The Educated Barfly. The way you pronounce fantastique is basically German with a French accent. Haha! Let's get into making the cocktail. It's National Mezcal Day, and as such, I thought it would be fun to do a Cole's French Dip cocktail from 2013. It was created by Brent Falco, and it's called the Pancho Smoking Gun. It is a riff on a Oaxacan Old Fashioned. So the first thing that we've got to do to make this cocktail is make some jalapeno agave. Okay, so to make the syrup, pretty simple. You're just gonna start off with 350 grams of light agave syrup, and then I have 30 grams of jalapeno here. You can customize the syrup any way you want. If you wanna put habanero in here or serrano in here, it's gonna work with any one of those. You can leave out the seeds if you want. It's really up to you how hot you want it and how you wanna impart the flavor into your agave. Agitate it a little bit. We're gonna let this sit for 24 hours before we use it. But honestly, I don't ever take the peppers out of here. I just allow the peppers to steep. The only time I'll take them out is if I think it's reached a certain level of hotness and I don't want it to go. But typically I'll just let them marinate in here for the entire life of the bottle anytime I make this syrup. So that's it. Pretty simple, jalapeno infused agave. All right, now to make the cocktail, we're just gonna take some Peychaud's bitters, do 2 to 3 dashes. I like to go 3. I like something a little more bitters heavy. If you don't, then put in 2. And then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of our jalapeno infused agave, 1 ounce of El Tesoro Reposado, or just any Reposado tequila you like. It doesn't have to be El Tesoro. We're gonna do an ounce of Mezcal. Now, choice of Mezcal here is gonna be pretty important. You can go with more smoky varietal since it is called a Pancho Smoking Gun. I am also riffing on Brent's cocktail a little bit. I changed the specs a little bit to suit me. I liked using this Metiche Mezcal because it has a lot of minerality. It has a little bit of citrus in it, kind of that citric character. It's gonna have a little bit more smoke and a little bit more minerality than you'll find in an espadín. The agave varietal is called Salamania, and it's very, very tasty. All right, and what I'm gonna do is add a little smoke to this cocktail. You can get some cherry wood here, but you can use any wood or anything really that you like to impart flavor into your drink. All right, and then we are going to quickly add our ice in and give it the old stir. Last but not least, we're gonna add a little grapefruit peel. And I think we're gonna cut this artfully, Maris. It's like really. Cheers. Such a nice marriage of flavors, you know? You can feel the agave in there. It's a really nice juxtaposition of flavors with the Reposado tequila and its barrel notes, adding a little bit of kind of vanilla to it. And then you also have the mezcal, which is bringing a minerality to it, a little bit of smoke, a little bit of citrus. It's nice and poppy. You also get that sweetness from the agave syrup, a little bit of spice from the peppers, and then you can really dial up that spice as much as you like. And then that Peychaud bitters really rounds it out and just pulls the whole thing together in such a good way. So there it is, the Pancho's Smoking Gun. So since we were able to team up with Crew for this video, we decided that it would be fun to do a giveaway. So this is what you do. Go find the corresponding Instagram post to find out what the rules are, what the prize is, and what you gotta do, and you could win something very fantastic from Crew. All right, that's it for this video. If you like this channel, hit like, hit subscribe, check us out on Patreon and YouTube memberships. We gotta really thank our Patreon and YouTube members for helping us to make this channel what it is and what it's become. We really, really appreciate you guys, and it is not lost on us. You guys are amazing. As for the rest of you, you guys should think about becoming a patron or a YouTube member. But if not, you can also check us out at theeducatedbarfly.com for recipes, articles, our virtual bottle program, and other fun stuff. So check us out, and I'll see you guys on another time.